Hi, Eric here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the Who's Up Next lists in CircleCloser. So what's really cool about this is the Who's Up Next lists will help you to make your connections with your contacts, your past clients, professionals, and your follow-ups list without having to think or plan. You just log in and it is ready to go, set up for you. I'm going to scroll down and show this to you, so let's just scroll a little bit here. See this section that says Power Hour? Right next to Power Hour, it says Who's Up Next. So these are your 4 lists: contacts, past clients, professionals, follow-ups. Each one of these will tell you literally who's up next. You're just going to connect with that person. And these lists are generated based on the ranking that you've given them. You can see the rank next to each person, right? You can change that rank as you go. And the date of last contact. So if they're a 5-star person, they'll come up first, 4s, then 4s, then 3s, then 2s, okay? And a 5-star person will come back on the list automatically every 30 days, 4-star people every 60 days, 3-star people every 90 days, and 2-star people every 120 days. If you give them 1 star, they won't come up on the up next list. They'll just be in your database. You can look them up when you need to. Okay, so let me show you how this works. The first person up next on my contacts list is Dare. I'm going to send Dare a message. So let's say I send him a text. Okay, I could use one of our scripts. Let's just grab one for ease. Okay, great. Copy that script. So let's say I use that script and I text it to him, right? Get rid of the who's, you guys get the idea. All right. Those are there to help you. Okay, so let's say I send him that text message and I log it. What's going to happen now is he's gone off the list. The list is slid up. So if you notice, I've got a contact starting to fill in here. So this list is going to give me 5 names at all times. So as I connect, the list recycles. Okay, so Izzy's up next. If I were to send him a text, okay, and log it, you'll see he moves off the list moves up, and you can see that circle's filling in. When the circle's full, it's all the way closed. We've closed our circle. Way to go. Go to the next list. So now we're going to connect with past clients. Same thing as you're connecting with people, whoever's up next. There's Tessa. We're going to connect with her. We're going to work our way down that list until the circle's filled. Now, you have the option to skip somebody a week if you need to. You also have the option to change their rank, which will change, they'll drop off the list if you downrank them. They'll come back in 30 days. Okay, so we're going to work our contacts up next, past clients up next, professionals up next. And if you have any follow-ups due, you'll see a notification. You can see I've got 1 due. So I'll see who's up next, and I'll send that person a message. It's so easy, you guys. Just follow the prompts, message who's up next, and you'll always be in great contact with all of your contacts. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.